Hi, it's me again with Corel Roll Tips and Tricks. A neat little trick with the drop shadow tool or block shadow tool. The block shadow tool is right here underneath your shadow tool. So I just use the word black or block. I'm going to skew it, but I wanted a certain percentage. So I'm going to go to Windows, Dockers, and Transformation. I'm going to skew it 30 degrees. Then I'm going to go over here and I'm going to rotate it 30 degrees and I get it at that angle. That's kind of important as we go further. Now I can make it, let me make it a little lighter color so we can kind of see what's going on. And then I'm going to use the block shadow tool on it. And I'm going to go right here. I'm going to 0.5 of an inch. And then I'm going to change the direction to 270. And what that did is it brought it down like it should be. Now I'm going to go to Object, break the block shadow apart. I'm going to grab the block shadow. I'm going to put another block shadow on top of that, 0.5 at a negative 270 or 270. And then I'm going to break that apart. I'm going to grab that block shadow. I'm going to put another block shadow of 0.5. That's giving us the thickness, and this is giving us the direction. So now I have quite a few block shadows. I think I've got 3. I'm going to go up here and go and break the 4 objects apart. I'm going to try to grab the very bottom one, and you can see it looks really thick. It's because it's got all the other block shadows on it. Now we don't have to remove this one. We're going to make it this light blue. Matter of fact, I'm going to go ahead and make my text white. And later on, you'll see in the background what it's going to look like. Now I'm going to make this that light blue, but I'm going to hold down the control button and I'm going to click the dark blue like 3 times. And then I'm going to move it up. Then I'm going to take this one, click on the light blue, hold down the control button, and click it a few more times. And maybe even add 1 click of black. It was that easy to produce that. And you don't have to make the original text white. You could make it a lighter color brown or tan. And you can play around with that a little bit, hold down the control button and add a little bit of blue to it. But on a background, such as this green box, it really makes it stand out. And you can have I'm guessing you can have I've done 4 layers on this other one. I'm sure you could have a couple more before it is not really beneficial to you anymore. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit, and thank you for watching.